It's approximately 29 minutes coming up at 10 right here, London, England time. This is the Upnlive show. We do this each and every week. We do live here on Tuesday on TGM Radio. Remember, the show is sponsored by Swiss Prince and is also produced by World Mag Entertainment. And like no other week, we always bring to you a special guest. So this week, we bring one different kind of guest in the car. We just feel like we are go uptown now, right? So we not go back. We not better go for brands. I wanna go for frankincense, we not go for more. None of them something there. We'll go Far East and we'll go for Silva. And he's here. Welcome to the show. Good evening to you, sir.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, my G.
Man, as you know, it's been a while. You know, you're forward than the show before. I just stay one side and say, well, on that. And on my time, when I'm my time, I'm going to reach you there now, right?
Yeah, man, running upon them same time.
Of course. Good evening. Just big up yourself and that's where people know who is Silva from the place.
Well, Silva, who is Silva? Boy, I don't even know if I answer that question there, you know.
How much different hats you wear? Because I know he's an artist.
I'm glad you said that. I must about 5 years straight. I never wear a hat.
I lie.
Big man thing, yo, me hairline I take time a creep way.
No, because you know, I start wear hat because my one gone to, you know.
No, yeah, I the wrong move that dog. It's when the hairline I take time to disappear. The worst thing you could do, I suffocate your scalp from the sun. You see me, because England, we said we in a yard like when we couldn't get vitamin D and them look weird, brother.
So when sunshine in England, because I remember last time.
Where? Sun hot from...
You know when...
I wouldn't say hot, but
right,
sun
hot.
You know when last Mr. Sunshine over here?
Well,
Guess I wish day?
Your birthday?
Christmas.
Christmas?
No, brother, if you live in East London, you can't tell me say you never see it. Brother, I the first never see Christmas in England, so bright.
Sky, but I not see it.
Look light, you never come out here at 2 o'clock. Which part you live?
Christmas.
Which part of London you live?
No, Christmas with the mashup, man. We did a read Christmas Eve.
If you ever come out here at 2 p.m., you'd see a whole heap of sunshine.
Is it?
I have a video on my tech. You see me?
Of course, so you prepare for that little something. You just make sure you enjoy your one look at your sun.
Yeah, dog.
Of course.
But yeah, don't do that something.
Alright, my lord, we know. But anyway, we're live here this evening and you have been making your rounds for the last couple of years. Predominantly dancehall music.
Yeah.
A little bit of crossover as well. Can you just give us a quick run through your journey of where you started? Obviously, you're living here in the UK now. You're Jamaican, I'm guessing.
Of course.
Yes. Talk to me about the transition from Jamaica to here, please.
Alright, so I born at UC Hospital in 1994.
See there.
And my father came come live permanently in 2006. So I born and grew in a local community called Kentire Papin. You see me?
Yeah.
Same place where Iwata come from. And we name the Assassin. Probably them are the more the artists them we are more familiar with, but a whole heap of artists
come from
then a Kingston 6 said way, but them two artists they make it to a and obviously Intense said way to come from Tavern.
I see him, yeah.
It's a one scheme said way still. So me left from Papin come England in our 2006 and from them time I live at Waltham's too ever since.
Okay. Have you been doing dancehall ever since you got here, or were you an artist before?
To tell you the truth, I always plan to say one day I'm going to do music, but up until last year, alright, I make some song for my schoolwork when me did in a grade 10. See? Put it up on YouTube and I'm looking with them. I'm not going to tell you what the name, so I can go research the work and time I look at you. You see me? Now keep that one a secret till when time my boss, I can say, look, one at a time with the rubbish in them. You see it? But my uncle released music as a trying artist in a last year December or November, I'm not sure. But put out one song named Magnum.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you hear it yet, but
no, I never hear it before.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna send it here so you can get to listen to it and then look away. So from them time there till now, you can call it my artist journey start down.
Okay, so this is why I asked you to clear up, because for me searching as the interviewer, I couldn't find really much things. So I just had to put you on the spot to say, all right, you know what? Let's do some work for me, because I did get a few little things, but obviously I couldn't find as much as I needed to.
Right.
So you were here in the UK residing from, you say, from how long? Yeah. And you've been studying the dancehall space, right? Obviously, have you been managing artists before?
If I manage an artist, No, you know, some never manage an artist yet. Would I get advice to my friend them who are artists? I know I have whole heap of artist brethren too, you know. That's the next thing.
This is why I asked you, because I'm always seeing you're an artist.
Right. I have whole heap of artist friend. You see me? I have artist friend where literally make it to the top of the industry in England. Not in a dancehall, but they make it to the top, the very, 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 very top.
Yeah.
Me and them literally know each other from 19 or long.
Scratch.
You see me?
Yeah.
Right. So, I'm always in and amongst artists. Them. Like, for instance, the first time I ever get bring up on a show, I want youth named Bankers from South. I don't know if you know him.
No, I don't know about that.
All right. You have one youth from Croydon named Bankers. He was the first to ever bring me out on a live show. And nobody don't know who me is in the dog. I come and show as a fan and a brother.
Yeah.
The man said, yo, father me show, I have a headline show at Camden. Must about 300 or 400 people there in the crowd.
Yeah.
I'm there in the crowd and the man said, yo, should I have a look at one song with him?
Yeah.
The man said, yo, where's SILVA? And everybody look around in the crowd for SILVA like, which brother SILVA brother there? I'm just coming to when I run up on the stage now, everybody start clap, because you know England people say already, they're frightened. They're not busy with that, you know, and they're nothing. From an artist your name? Yeah. So I go up on the stage and perform the local, I must say 8 bars or 16 bars when I up on him song. And that I first time I ever get bring up on stage. And them time me not even announce myself as an artist. My name not even up on a song, much less.
You just do something and say, alright, whatever happens.
Yeah, dog.
Cool.
So I finally wait to when time I'm good in our life. I just get my first child.
Okay,
in the last year.
That.
Yeah, man, thank you, man.
New father.
What you mean, man?
Yeah.
No, man, I'm the father a long time, man. A long time, I'm call my daddy still.
Yeah, like fire Q first. No, fire Q not first, but him recently.
Yeah, I'm
like
own
self.
a pitney, yeah.
Of course, that's good.
Just turn around.
When I wonder when you thought about a while ago.
No, you have your big daughter, but me don't see that try. Remember what Zach now when I said no.
Yeah, cause
that.
Zach young, you know. Zach a turn 3 soon next week.
Oh, time a fly.
Big up yourself.
So what's the aim for you now? What's the aim for you in music? Are you going to be doing dancehall music, or are you doing express
Alright,
your
we don't
direction for me?
we don't want to spoil anything. Cause isn't me is a man where if you try to study me you never graduate, you know.
I like.
That's what
You see me? But I have a look of formula in my head. Which part me I gotta try to use everything will make me
Yeah.
for reach, which part me for reach. You see me? Everything when me know, everything when me say, everything when me got you, I gotta use it in my music. So enough people I gotta feel like say, yo, just through my born and grow Jamaica, they might expect to see me at the dancehall music. But them know some of my closest friends are African. You see me? Congolese.
So you see you're joining the Afrobeats.
No more say me a join, but when I make a song
Yeah.
with certain artists, you know me I try to say like, alright, certain sound will influence me musically, because I'm a music man and
because you grew up amongst the African culture,
right,
obviously.
then. So certain influence, I gotta stay true to who me is.
Yeah.
But if you see me on a certain rhythm, I don't want you shock.
Yeah.
At that type of thing.
And so if come on, you have to just push what you know, what you feel like.
Yeah,
what
we're
work
real
for you,
to
you
me.
know. You know what I mean? Because you can't just do it just because the man they say, yeah man, that if you do.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Because you're not going to stay true to yourself. So, you know, anything you do, you have to stay true to you. You yourself is a brand. So no matter if you have a team behind you,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? It's a brand, so you have to push the brand there, brother.
So you grew up here in the UK, right?
Yeah,
You go to school here as well.
of course.
Okay, so you graduated. Did you study? Did you go to university here or what?
No, I didn't go drama school. I did go college. I left from school, go college in Essex, and study performing arts. I passed with some good grades to me. Like, I didn't go university and I go but it's true. Is it the acting thing?
Yeah.
If anybody will study acting, know say yo, if you want actually become an actor,
Yeah.
you got drama school. If you got university, they might teach you how to teach acting. You got a teacher. You see me? But me as a
If you
man,
want to be doing the arts,
Right.
you're gonna have to go drama school.
cool. But you see when time comes about now and decide say yo, let me take a one break. A long time there so I study, you know. I want actually get to live some life and rate it. End up start work.
Yeah.
You see me? 1 year turn to 2, 2 year turn to 3. Next thing, I end up, you see me? So I now but I go to drama school because I get caught up in some little foolishness. I go on the streets or wherever.
The streets always comes in.
You see it, man. From
So
our background and demographic, an easy thing to get joined, you see me?
Yeah. The music now. 2020. What can we expect from SILVA, the artist?
Well, Same thing when we do every day in a pinky.
Trying to save the world.
Save the world.
Take over,
What
baby.
you mean, man?
So you have anything that any music that's out now? Are you in
Alright.
studio working on anything?
I have only a song put on scene.
Yeah.
I have some song where I have them head for voice. But the only thing where you can go search for me right now recently, I want a song named Magnum.
Magnum.
You see?
So that Magnum you run with for 2020.
No, I have only a song for drop still.
So tell us some date now, a song name or what?
Alright, alright, cool. I have a song on the lifestyle rhythm.
Yeah.
Lifestyle.
Right, I have a song on the lifestyle rhythm. But I name it Lifestyle, same way. And me, BMF Als, my brethren, I'm a local brother Shells. You see me? I will do 3 different type of music. Me with a more predominant on the dancehall music.
Yeah.
Theme thing are kind of like Afro swings, kind of Afro beats.
Yeah.
And I'm local brother with a more upon the drill thing. You're familiar with the drill
Yeah.
music?
So it's a fusion then.
It's a fusion of 3 different sound on one song.
One track.
That's
You
how
see
the
me?
sound do. More like to hear it.
Because the whole will grow together, the whole will understand each other. Each other will know where all will go through.
Yeah. So we know the
So-
struggles.
In a way, if you listen to the song, you can kind of hear, say, everybody grow amongst one another, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Clear.
one of them kind of something.
All right, so that makes sense. So we are intrigued to hear the new stuff. Obviously, you're gonna be producing for 2020 because as I say, the catalog is not as big as
A big man.
You know, well,
Don't
it's
get
not
it
out
twisted.
there
Big
yet.
man. It's not out there, but it's big.
So until it manifests and come on the plastic,
Right.
and we can hear and dance and vibe to it,
Yeah.
No,
then
what's-
we can
what's the
change.
deal?
Yeah.
So right now we got a song
Conversation.
queued up for you right now. So let me
Have
just
a
drop
song
that
for you?
song. Yeah. So yeah, let's drop it right now.
Jesus Christ.
Everything locked
listen
in
to
now. I'll be a murderer and all these blood clot from your this none at all. You will hear gone back, you know. That's true. No silver talk. Circle them right quick, do it like Nike take dog. You not gonna like it. From you, this a mambo, yeah, then you are gonna coming like you know see it's a wicked man ends when I back fed. From the start it not go end. Can't tire, not go them, I tired fi tell them. Bring it far. Yo, Jay, rise the llama them. Come on, me no come and light them shaka sense. August town, any man bloodshed uptown, but we tell them again. They say I can't tire papi in a me band, that's all come where your lifestyle lose that there's some in a ram fake his scalp on them face, but under waist never lips down the summer. Grow bad say you know, says a bad man says oh this man your mother ball like a she named Elsa. 2 man, 1 car, wind down, window limbo. Our game have a splash like fucking jello. Girl is so life if a name yellow.
Calm down.
You have a sound, you have a mixed sound to me.
Yeah.
May I hear 2 different things? As I said, the poppy in relates to
Uptown.
the intense eye water sound. Can I hear some
Why?
of that?
Don't do that, because I made that song 3 years ago.
No.
And listen, look, you hear me say to you. You say intense is a youth but I recently me get to know him.
Yeah,
Water, I grow know him. You see me? Him live at Kentire.
yeah.
Intense live at Tavern. Me never hear him feel music up until most about 2 years ago.
No,
And that song they
no.
make 3 years ago.
We're not saying that you imitate him.
I feel him, but you can hear a sound
basically,
what kind of sound like
kind of
Uptown.
sound.
You don't
Yeah.
have to hear somebody to sound like them.
Because if you come from a same demographic as them, you can kind of have the same sound.
Yeah,
You
Alright,
don't,
yeah.
you don't really have to come from the same
Yeah.
different demographic. People sound like people.
And
People
it
look like people. You
definitely.
don't have to know each other.
Yeah.
So,
Straight in.
if it's arts out there and somebody say, yeah, you sound like him, that means that people being in tune to that artist more than your music because obviously
Of course.
you're more out there. So
Of course.
it's not a bad comparison, to be honest.
And even sound a little bit of governor music. I kind of hear some of the governor.
Yeah,
as
definitely.
Them time there, when I met that song, them I know Governor's Diablo.
well. Yeah, Diablo.
Yeah.
alright.
But me never really listen. The thing is,
How long ago this song was out?
in the out,
How
long ago you find this song?
3 years ago me do it.
But 3 years ago,
3 years ago.
3 years ago, him still have the name governor.
Him Diablo give him governor, but him just a boss.
Yeah,
You see me?
just a-
And
just a
I never
singer.
follow him up them way there, you see me?
No, but that's how music is because you're influenced by the environment
But
you're around.
remember, governor boss a long time. Friend, come out with the song with the one I was say, Louis V shirt, rope, teeth, clean shirts.
More
Remember,
than
from
call
them
that
time?
boss.
Would you call it?
Never call it.
I know why it's song that.
Pop.
That was not song.
Would I call it pop? Would I say it's a boss?
Hold on.
It's a pop.
Hold on.
You know that song there, no, brother?
if
You listen to that song the same as you, you know,
so-
but that not bring him on the forefront. You know me I try to say?
Yeah, we get what you're saying, but it did kind of expose him in a sense. But it did give
Yeah,
him the
he
big
gave him
break.
exposure, but he never gave him the boss.
The big break and
boss
that,
are when-
the
when-
standalone.
People can. Alright, for me, alright. Which part you did it when they released that song then?
Wow. I was in Jamaica that
You did
time.
that at Jamaica, but
Yeah.
see if you did that at England, you wouldn't know about it.
Wait.
Tell us follow me, I tell.
Alright.
Most people never know who
Because-
governor was.
Yeah,
because
because
that
Them want to get
song-
fly out from the
Yeah,
man.
no.
If I'm in a
That
time.
song, that song wasn't a big song in terms of like breaking barriers internationally.
Yeah.
You have to understand music
It's
in
the
certain
streets,
tiers.
boy.
Oh,
How it
so
go.
wait, so
Well, I know.
go on.
So you have certain tiers. You have song with bigger Jamaica and your boss at Jamaica.
Yeah.
Where run things in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Because he was not the standout big artist on that track.
Right.
People know it was Diablo and Governor do it. But in
And-
getting boss there, that time people start paying good attention to Diablo.
Mhm.
But at that time, guess what him do? He was still touring with Idonia, still, be doing like backup singing and those stuff
Right.
instead of branch off and doing a standout artist.
Of
But
course.
him getting boss that year when that song come out. Because I was in the music game. I was still doing this long before that. And I'm still doing it now. And I've always been a good analyst of certain things when it come on to
Yeah.
like artists and their music and
Well,
their material.
Analyst.
Yeah, man. But
go on.
It's an opinion thing still. I don't really like say have facts.
Yeah.
To you, to always like anybody would have use the word boss.
Yeah.
A different thing. So and I like some try to put him down or not.
No,
So when
we
you
get
talk about-
that. We get that.
Me a artist which
I
part
says a car.
Is that pro box him get?
pro box.
Yeah.
A must.
The small car,
A
remember?
must.
Anyway,
But-
people, if you're live us with us, this is Silva here with us. This is the Upper Live show. Where they are raising the artists. Right now, 2020. Can you just give us some social media for yourself so people can find you, please?
Silva VST on everything. Anything where you can use, anything where you can find, a Silva VST.
Oh, you spell that? It's L-I...
SILVA.
That's why, because me spell Silva different.
Or you spell Silva.
SILVER, innit?
Yeah, man, a Silva that.
Silver.
Silver that.
I know.
But
Well-
if they come from,
Me as a Silva.
Silva.
Even though, listen, as a
Chop
Jamaican,
off something
Yeah.
and put
when you
a
are reading a book and you see SILVR, you still say Silva.
That we have on your neck a
we
Silva.
that.
I say, of course.
This a Silva.
But anyway, all right, you know what? This is going to be very exclusive because right now, people out there in music land doesn't know a lot of your songs.
Right. I'm
And
glad.
people- and so that's what makes this part more intriguing and more interesting
Yeah.
to me. So we're gonna have you just have a little free for all and just jog and have a little part time call it a little something. Where you go?
This part, the part we call freestyle because we don't pay nobody no money if it spit some bars in here.
Yeah.
Right.
And because you talk the talk, Silver, time for you walk the walk, no we know.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, man.
All right, Poppy in the artist beat.
What you mean, man?
All right, let's go. This is Silver Live. Let's go.
Girl, I tell me say me too evil. I'm afraid to shoot them shot cause we shoot people. Yo, that automatic for me is too lethal. My G's make G's on road, but we're soon legal. Yeah, I've been quiet, but I'm turning up. They say I'm cold, don't worry, I'm a burn it up. Me have a, yeah, me a fuck from Colombia. She probably fuck with you too, but you don't earn enough pussy. Yard man in a German. Posh girl fuck with me, come urban. Hey, I'm trying to leave the badness behind me, but I might spin there, but they're not learning. Lot that now. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, go. Yo, murderers and this blood clot if it is none at all, you will your gun back with free roll. Nobody try get bright just to right now we're lighting and want to be dark. Them now gonna want see Silva much worse because of them time they all have to lock up. Yo, where you go? Yeah, check it. Yo, bad bro, didn't you know? You don't gang bang, no you don't. That yeah, your wife and up's my thing. You should really get your own. Okay, wolves some vampires on my end. Twilight in my zone. My bro got life, I can't right his wrongs, but I will still write to my bros. Okay, free my niggas, free smoke. If you violate the road code, cause he was gang before, he can't hang no more. We kept and he told. Cop the bricks, flood the strips, re-up by the kilos. Yeah, next rhythm.
Jump again. Ready?
Yeah, yeah.
People, this is Silver Live. Let's go.
I need a word magnum, one lemonade, to put it on the knees. And me a drink water, your walk go lean. Blow the magnum condom, beer back out of your main. From a touching on your skin. You a scream like a Unimalisha keys. My love sex and my love head. If she not bite it, me upset. Beers me not fight you, no stress. But if you not succeed, we not go successful. I joke me a make and bless boo. Plus that underneath the too special. A lot of other can't tell you that you alone make it hard like a metal. Yeah. All right.
Jaga look like him want to kill you, Silva. Why you want to watch out by Silva now?
That man see me drunk already, but watch out now. Senorita, you me beg you for the macanita. Me have a 9, but you me feel should be tina. Me have a 9. Yo, where you go? Yo, Senorita, baby me beg you for the macanita. Me have a 9, but you me feel should be tina. Me never hurt you, just when me figure look deeper. Hey, squishy, but me no cheater. Cause when me beat it off of them a leak. Trenches in the jungle bad like a dung a rima. You say a gangster loving you well want see it. The squeeze, you know. Jesus Christ.
Silva, you wanna, since you say you not categorize yourself in no genre,
Yeah.
I mean you can do pan the rhythm. Bars, you know, bro.
That's it,
Bars, you know.
Yo. Let me tell you, I'm grow. Certain things I'm got you like you would even know. Man, I go do, but my grow full even though. Girl, I say my nice dark side should even show, but man used to get round there. My dogs can't tame, we don't pet round here. You'd have thought that it rains every day on their block. The way them youths getting wet round there. Yo, walking anywhere on my ones, I'm bad. This two hand get away, you're mad. It can't be me that you're talking to. Man, I'll get around there and shoot your dad. Hey, but I'm better than that. No, but the van start ringing and that. No church bells, black suits and track. It's your game, I'm digging and that.
You know.
Alright, Silva, see that?
It look like you're fighting a family.
Oh, I'm a thing, brother, but
Jaga,
we shall never bring the wrong come around here. Big man thing.
No, you need
Why Rasta?
Jaga
You
figure
know who's
out.
off of you? Look at this. Hey, look at this, no eh?
Look at this.
Look at this, no eh?
Don't frost like
Rum
that,
and Pepsi. I'm not an old man, you know.
Hey, people, big up.
It's rum and Lucozade, love.
Oh, Jesus. Big up to the Facebook crew. You know, Silva, you need to check the Facebook page. There's a lot of ladies over there. The African side, so you need to move over. Big up to the.
So
Them say you need to move to Africa. They, yeah,
Me
kill them.
need to move to Africa?
The ladies, them
Me
ladies on my battlefield.
Me in Africa a long time, brother.
It's true.
Me in Africa in my heart.
Of course. Good evening to the Facebook viewers. Thank you for watching. Any last words before we go?
Well, never last words, and the last words are for dead people still, but more sooner again, isn't it?
It's true.
Just look out for lifestyle when I go drop with BMF Alts
Yep.
and Shells.
What's the date? Any date for it?
It'll come sometime next week. That alone I can say. Just follow up my social media, them Silva VST.
Yep.
On Instagram, on Snapchat, on Facebook, anything when you want to find. Silva VST with an A. You see me? So, at that alone, I have to promote right now. You have to stay in tune for the website though.
Seriously. All right. People, the bars was up and gunning. Silva going with a bag of things. You know, we like the energy. I feel like him go wicked up on the UK side. Let me know. If you're on Facebook right now, just comment before hot or not, or him sound on the freestyle. Was it up or was it down? I can know what going, right? Good.
You don't know anything, go big up Silva. Take my little advice right now. You're a bad young talent coming.
Yeah.
You look like you're kind of dropping off the bar when you come on to the work ethics, bro. You need to have your thing them out and ready for the consumer to digest your music. Cause you have the tool, but we need the material. You get me?
Yeah.
So we need to hear the track. Them is 2020. Get the 2020 vision, and by now